Alright. What's going on, guys? What game was this from? Oh, Super Mario RPG. I'm gonna be poking around in Fusion 360 for a little bit. I do kind of have a goal in mind, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to achieve it. But before we do that, I have this. You see this mount right here, and this arm on it. I made and 3D printed that. You can see this is the design for it. If I rotate it around, hopefully I don't drop any frames. You can see what I mean. You would be looking at it from this point of view here. But all it is a little clamp. It's good on burial. Uses some bolts to bolt it together. There's a little recess for a nut right here. And like I said, it just clamps down on this monitor stand and holds this pole arm onto it. So what I figured I'd do is this little camera module here. Oh, can I zoom in? Yes, I can. This little ELP camera module, I believe they are called. ELP? Let me see. Yep, a little ELP camera. It's a little USB camera. It has a little USB header on it, blah, blah, blah. Mine doesn't have this on it. I don't even know if I can turn that off. No, I can't. But that's just a little camera module, and my hope is that I can make a little mount for it for one of our 3D printers for work. If I could zoom out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I lost it. What the fuck even is it? Uh-oh, I got lost. There it is. I can make a little mount for it for our 3D printers. Thankfully, Ultimaker puts its files, its step files, online, so I can see what it looks like. Now I know the one that I have is a Go, not a 3. That's okay. I'm gonna try and make a little camera mount, like I said. So, unfortunately, what would be really cool, which would be hard to show you, but whoa, in here, you know, this is your print bed is down here. I removed the print bed, but it moves up and down this axis right here on this thread. It would be nice to stick it in a corner over here, or maybe even, ooh, if I could do this without losing it, in one of the corners over here where it's out of the way and inside the machine. But unfortunately, this print head, this print head moves on these two axes, so it moves left and right, and it moves forward and back, and it pretty much can touch anywhere on the inside of this. And so this lip actually almost touches the entire wall here and the entire wall here. The only place that's really free is right back across here. Unfortunately, the print bed will hit that, so I can't really put it inside this machine. So my thought is to put it in the corner here. Maybe make a little mount that would fit this radius here, and maybe clip on the back or something. I initially thought it would be cool to maybe use some of these screws back here, get a longer screw to screw it in, but buying stuff probably isn't the best option to solve this. So I'm just gonna try and make a little doodad. Actually, you know what? I shouldn't have looked for the 3s. I should have looked for the 2s. Let's see. Because the 3s actually, I removed it. The 3s actually have a camera built in. No, I'm not pirating a 3D printer. This is actually open source, so you wouldn't be pirating it. But I'm trying to make a little camera mount that fits in these for work. Realistically, I should be doing this on work hours, but it's a fun little project I want to try and do on my own. Sorry, like I said, I'm trying to get Ultimaker 2 instead of the 3, because the 3 actually isn't going to help me as much as I thought it would. Off the clock, well. Sorry, I'm extracting the zip file on the side here. Figure I'll just fool around, see what's up. So I think I can do file open, and I can do open from my computer. And I believe this is the file I want. Let's see. It's gonna take a minute. I'm probably gonna start dropping frames like mad. Oh, I'm not dropping any frames yet. You're finishing the Cabaret Girl stories? See, you should have taken your time to do it initially instead of jumping to the end. Yes, okay, this is what I want. So if you can look, this is what I'm concerned about, is this lip is actually different on the 2 than it is on the 3 right here. You can see how different it is. So that's why I specifically want the 2, because the 2s and the goes have this same feature. And in fact, if I do this 33.62, I have that clocked in at, I read my own handwriting, 34.5. So I was a little bit off on that measurement. What do I have this measurement as? Let's see. I just don't know if it's different from the 2 to the... $27.95. I have 28.5. Okay, so I'm off by about half a centimeter here, half a millimeter. Hopefully I'll be 3D printing this, not laser cutting it, but alright, so I think that's close enough that I can say this is probably about the same. So first thing I want to do, let's go back home here. I'm going to start removing some things. So that's the build plate you can see. This is where you would print things out on. For this, we don't really need it. Considering I'm making it outside of the print area, I don't really care about it. Assembly feeder 1, so on the back here, there's a little feeder that actually takes the filament and pushes it through. I'm going to remove that. The electronica assembly, apparently. It's probably going to be some of the stuff down here. Let's see, does it even show me where it is? Let's see, back out. Not really. Oh, it's that, okay. That's what I thought it was. The header assembly is going to probably be the print head, yeah. And the new tube 2.1, so we'll just remove those, just for the processing power, really. The poor American being forced to use the metric system. You know what? Sometimes it's easier to do it because of math. I kind of wish that they had taught us both in school, like I had said, so I kind of don't have a problem. And so this is a sub-assembly. In fact, those are all different parts of this assembly right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to delete those other items we don't need. Will it let me? No, it won't. Why can't I delete it? Okay, fine. I don't need the spool, pulleys, yeah. Like I said, I'm just trying to remove a whole bunch of stuff. Can I just select a bunch? No, I can't. I'll leave that. I'll leave that. I'll leave that. I'll leave that. What's this? No, let me remove it. Probably a nut. Remove that. Sure, sure. Like I said, I'm just trying to remove some of the rendering load on this machine. Just because I'm streaming, so I think I can get rid of pretty much everything else. If I was smart, I probably would have done this beforehand, but... And then I just have to re-copy that camera over into this one, and then, God, I wish there was an easier way than doing this. I wish you could just, like, click and drag up. This is all probably, like, yeah, little square nuts, so it's going to be impossible to show you. No, it's not. The way that this front is held on is there's a square nut that fits in a recess here, and then there's a hex bolt that goes through and grabs this and pulls it forward, and the friction and the tensile pulling force you put on that is actually what keeps that front attached to the back. And so somewhere, one of these square nuts, there it was. Wait, where was it? There you go. That's the square nut. So we don't need to render those right now. We're not doing anything with those specifically. Why not really reduce the load, maybe make this run a little bit faster, so do that for a whole bunch of them. Make it a little bit easier. And you'll probably see some of these, the pulleys and stuff start being removed as well. Yep, you can see that. It's just a linear shaft, really, that the print bed slides on. Like I said, sorry. If I had realized before I started I was doing something bad, I would have tried to fix it. Remove all this inner stuff. We don't need any of it. Yeah, those are the pulleys in there and all that shit. All right, cool. So you've basically just gutted it down to, oh, what's this? Where's that? You've basically just gutted it down to its shell, basically. That's really all I needed. Yeah, back, top, front, left, right, bottom, and the pulley. Okay. Cool. All right, let me import this camera from the other model. I just copied it from here. I will shrink these because I don't actually need these open and expanded. No, you don't want to paste? Come on. There we go. All right. So there's the camera, like I said. I think first what we want to do is place it in the world. That's fine. Let's build us a little case for it. So we have these mounting points, these 4 holes right here. Can I make a sketch on this plane? Ah, yes, I can. Cool. So basically what I'm doing is I'm taking this object, right? And I'm choosing this flat face, and I'm going to draw on this flat face. And so obviously it's going to be 2D because it's a 2D drawing. But later what we can do is actually stretch it out into 3D and extrude it. We can choose specific things to extrude. So let's take a solid here. Actually, let's take a line. I'm going to make a construction line. Do I not have to choose a plane? Where am I going to figure out my 0? Oh, thank you, music. I'm glad you decided to stop. What happened? Why would you pause the video? YouTube, why would you pause the video? There's no reason to pause the video, YouTube. Oh my God. Oh, not pausing the video is part of our premium package. Please come buy it. Fucking YouTube is terrible. So I'm just going to make some construction lines. Construction lines are basically just like marking stuff up. Stop it. I don't want to do that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There we go. They're basically reference points. So you can see right here, what I'm doing is basically making construction lines that let me find the middle of this object. So I know that this is the dead center of this object because this is the horizontal. You see the triangle is equidistant from either side. I believe is what that means. And what I want to do is, what is the length of this to this? That is 2 millimeters. So this is one of the hardest things I have is figuring out scale. So for reference, that's a 2 millimeter gap. Not that you would have any reference, but let's do no. Let's do another line here. We'll extend this line out another 0.5 millimeter. And I'm actually going to extend it out again another 2 millimeters. Oop, not on an angle, please. Another 2 millimeters. No, let's do it straight. And cool. So this is what I'm gonna leave a A 0.5 millimeter gap. I think that should be enough. That's a 0.5 millimeter. That'll be really fucking tight. All right, let's make it 1 millimeter. Let's go on, let's go. And then we'll have a 2 millimeter thick wall is what I'm intending to do. So I'm going to repeat that around here. Also, FYI, I'm doing this all off the seat of my pants. So this may end up not working at all. This may end up being scrapped. I may end up never finishing it, but what am I doing? I'm trying to make... I can't zoom out very easily right now. I'm trying to make a camera mount for a 3D printer. Is what I'm intending to do. Whether that happens or not, we'll see. 1 millimeter. And then another 2 millimeter out from there. Oh, that sounds like fun. Nothing like educational personnel deciding to do that, right? You see the adhesive Velcro and call it a day? Well, so we want it to be something that won't move easily, that can stay on the printer when we move the printer, and is pointed in a specific spot on the printer so we can see how it's printing. So yes, you could put some adhesive Velcro, and right now we have them held down with painter's tape. And that works, but it's not a permanent solution. And we have the fucking 3D printers. We might as well print, you know what I mean? So I'm just going to extend that out. And then, no, please. Extend this out. And so we have this intersection point here that we know. Is that parallel? That's not parallel, is it? Why can't I control Z this? Get out of here. Can you please make me a parallel line? That looks better. Yeah, okay, so that's the marker for parallel, by the way. Or perpendicular, by the way. That's why. That's why this was bad. All right. Cancel. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to remove that line. I'm going to redo it. Same on the bottom, so it's actually the right length. But for now, I'm going to do that. Oh, God. I'll do this. Oh, God. I want to make circles. Why am I making circles? What did I do to make circles? Do that. And then we can do this. Where are we perpendicular? There we are. I guess I could have just made these in several lines instead of doing it this way. Oh, it's freezing up a little bit. It doesn't like streaming and rendering 3D objects. Who would have thought? Alright, so this is going to be... Oh, let's not do that. This is going to be our bounding box in the exterior. Cool. That's true. I probably should save. Can I not save as? I don't want to save it. Can I not save as? I guess I'm going to save over the Ultimaker then. Ah, there we go. Ultimaker camera mount. I have no idea how to do version control on this, so we're going to roll with that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same thing for this here. So... I don't know how to get it to not automatically just... See, I swapped the circle again. I think it must be something in that menu I'm clicking really quickly. Oops. No, don't do that one. And so this is what you would do to design something in 3D, just more efficient and probably laid out better than I'm doing it. Alright, cool. So let's take, release me. Let's take this. Let's redo this. So it matches. Same with you. No, I don't think this. And then you. I'm sure there's a better way to do this than what I'm doing, but. Alright, cool. So now that I have that, that's going to be my rough outline for this. So this will be the bounding, this will be the space that it kind of has to free float in here. And remember, that's only 1 millimeter. That's 1 millimeter thick, so it's not like it's going to be floating around in here. I don't even know how to like tell you what a millimeter is. It's not going to be, it's going to be pretty tight, actually. So what I'm actually going to do is, oh, don't do that. Cancel. I'm going to select all these lines. Oh, let me fix this one first. No. Make sure I got that right. Yeah, okay. And cancel. So I'm going to select 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to select those. I'm actually going to turn them into real lines. So that's going to make those actual lines. And we'll do the same for this. And we'll turn those into real lines as well. And so now what that means is I can do things with this void. Excuse me. So right now, it's a little hard to do because this is not on the origin. Oh god, I lost it. There it is. So right now we're perpendicular. God. We're perpendicular to the camera. So you can see we're on a plane, not perpendicular, we're on a plane that's on the back of this. And so if I could appropriately control this camera, we can actually see that in this case, if I extrude anything, it's gonna move like in and out. So let's do this. Let's grab both of these, right? And I'm going to extrude them towards the camera. God, I should have moved this to the origin before I did this. Oh, that actually works. I'm going to extrude it out. Let's see. Let's do 2 millimeters, right? Where'd it go? Oh, God, where'd it go? What'd I do wrong? Select all of them, right? Oops, that's not what I want to do. Extrude. Sure. Oh, there we go. That worked. What's going on, Holgren? I'm trying to make a little camera mount for our printers at work. Oh, is that why? Okay. 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 I see. It's including this on the plane, which it probably shouldn't, but that's okay. Now we can extrude 2 millimeters. Cool. So we have this. We actually have this port for the wires. It's probably gonna end up being a little small just because of the that's exactly the size of the wires. Well, I'm trying to make it. I don't know if it's actually going to work, but we'll see. Mine does not have this right here, so I'm not going to worry about that. And in fact, what I want to do is actually take this body and move it just a little bit. I'm going to move it. I'm going to offset it. We'll offset it 2 millimeters away. And we'll actually add little pillars that can go inside of this, so it kind of recesses into it. Just because there are capacitors in the back of these, the ones I have, which will not let it sit flush. So what I will do is find that same sketch we were working on. Yes, I want to edit it, please. Oh, God, let me edit the sketch. Oh, I got to do this. Yes, move it. Edit sketch. In fact, instead of doing it this way... yeah, let's do it this way. Let's do a little box around this. So I can actually hide that body I made. So this is the original right here. And I'm just going to take this and I'm going to go 1 millimeter. Oops, I wanted to be construction line. I'm going to go 1 millimeter in all directions and give it a 1 millimeter berth. This is not structural that it needs to touch the box and like support anything. So I'm not worried about it being a tight fit, you know what I mean? Will I do a real life copy? Yeah, I intend to print it in PLA and attach it to one of our printers. It's going to be a camera mount that allows the camera to monitor our prints. We have a print software at work that we can attach Raspberry Pis to it and the printers, and we can... What's going on, Space Doggo? We can use that to monitor and send prints and all that, so this should help us with the printing and being able to monitor it and stuff like that. So I actually can do this. Think about that. Cancel. This should be a construction line. Sorry, I know this looks complicated, and it kind of is if you don't know what's going on. Sorry. All right, so there. Now there's a box around it. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to delete... I'm going to finish this sketch. I'm going to delete this other body. And I'm going to redo the extrude on this sketch here. So if I select this, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You don't need to count these. I don't know why I'm counting. Okay, and now I could extrude that. We'll extrude it out 2 millimeters again. And I fucked it up. What did I do? Oh, God. I extruded that. How did I just extrude that? That's not what I want to do. Let me hide that body and we'll reselect all this. No, this is going to be 3D printed out of PLA, which is a type of plastic. Polylactic acid, I believe, is a type of plastic. This is Fusion 360 Space Doggo. I'm not sure. I get it because I have a .edu email address. So if you're in school or work at a school and have a .edu email address, you might be able to get this program. Okay. There we go. That's what I wanted. So now we have this object. If I turn on this body, you can see we left an ample hole in the back for this. Like I said, mine doesn't actually have this supplementary power supply, I'm guessing this is. It runs purely off USB, so I'm going to ignore this for now. You can see it's clipping through. That's fine. I don't, like I said, I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna worry about it. So I'm actually going to grab this sketch again, edit the sketch, and this center point right here, we can see, I don't know what the diameter of this hole is. In fact, you know what I can do? It's not that. So here's actually a data sheet for this. Yeah, see, it's expecting 5 volts. And in fact, this one's a little bit different than the model. It has the 5 volts here, but these are pretty standard as far as mounting goes. This is saying that it's about a 2 millimeter diameter. So maybe I'll do a 1 millimeter pole around these 3 objects. So I'm going to take a circle right here. I will make myself a 1 millimeter pole. Yeah, it looks kind of small. What is this then? Is that about a 3? Let me turn off this. Ah, it is a 2 millimeter hole. Okay, so let's do 1.5. I don't know if that's going to be good enough on tolerance. Again, we'll have to print this and see. I don't actually have one of these cameras with me. They're all at work, so I can't do it. I'm just going to print it up and test it Monday. Okay, so let's turn on this, turn off this. I'm gonna grab, if I can grab those circles, please. I want the, oh God, don't do that to me. This is why you always put things at an origin. In fact, I think I can make a new origin there, but I'm kind of fucking myself over by having this out in space just because of the way it moves. So can I grab just the interior? No, I don't want that. I want... Oh, I saw it. There we go. That's what I want. 2. 3. Oh no, I think I clicked off the other ones. Fuck, I did. Cool. Now what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to extrude in the other direction. So I'm going to go negative... Let's do negative 3 millimeters. And so if I turn on these 2 and I rotate it around, we should see... Yep, you can see there's a little pole in there. This little pole right here. In fact, if I turn off the visual camera, there you go. You can see there's those poles. I think I want to extrude that a little bit further. So I'm actually going to back up to this point here while I had those. I'm going to reselect those and go further than 2. Why don't I go 3? Negative 3, excuse me. Negative 4, why not? And so with the that and that, yeah, that's pretty good. And like I said, this should fit a little bit snugger once I push it in and put a cap on it and all that. In fact, I haven't thought about a cap, but that's all right. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this outside one. I'm going to extrude it. And again, I'm going to do negative 4. And that should give me... Oh, it's processing. There we go. So you can see we just built up a little bit of a wall there around the outside. And then what I can do is actually... Let's see. Can I do... A sketch on this plane. Let's do this. I'm gonna select those. Let me make a new. New component. We'll select. Can I even select components? No. Let's make this case rear. I have to select some things. Sure. I put those in here? No. How do I move them? New component, rigid group. I don't know if I want to do a rigid group. I want to do a regular group. If I make a new component. That's what I just did, though. Oh, no, I didn't. Rear. Move that into there. That's what I want to do. Okay. So now you can see I have this piece right here like that, right? And my thought is, what if we made a piece that goes over this, right? And so we have the camera that sits in here. And what if we made a piece that snaps over this, maybe it's a little bit of a friction fit, and allows us to have a hole for the camera, obviously, and all that. So my thought is, let's do this. We'll make a new sketch like that. And so we're drawing on this face here. Do I want it to overhang? How would I secure it? Obviously, a friction fit is a possibility. However, I don't know what kind of tolerances we would need. Let's look it up. Tips for printing 3D print press fit parts. That's exactly what I want. Blah, blah, blah. Mating piece has a 1-inch hole. The corner dimensions of the pin will also want to be 1 inch. I don't really want to make it. Doesn't really help me. I mean, yeah, that teaches you how to see what they did is they made this like this so that with little slats in it so that when you push it in, the slats bend. But I don't want it to bend. I want it to be. They didn't help me at all. This is Formlabs. This is a different type of printer. This is a resin printer, but we might still be able to learn something from it. 0.5 millimeters. Ooh. So my what I'm trying to do is, so as you can see, this is a 2-part print. It's a different type of printer, so I'm just kind of referencing it. I want to make a lid for this box that I just made here. That can press fit onto it, basically, is what I'm looking for. All right, if they're saying 0.5, let's do 0.5 and see what we get then. No. I want to go 0.5 outward. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Easily print it up and see. And what's nice about Fusion 360 is if you do things right, you can change a few parameters and be able to reprint really quickly. Whether I'm doing things right or not, I don't know. But what Mario game was this from? Mario Kart 64 Battle Arena. Oh, a bonus track, that's why. In fact, we determined that we can do this before. If I touch that part, it'll actually show me where it lines up. I have not played Persona 4, no. It's on the list of maybe to play one days, but I went through my list on stream earlier today. I've got like 15 games or something that are queued up right now, unfortunately. Okay, so I just made that line. That'll be my interior wall. Oh, very nice. Make those not construction lines. Well, I play next. I have a couple games that devs had sent to me that I'm probably going to play. Roller Coaster Tycoon 3 Remastered or whatever came out. And a couple other ones that I intend to take a look at probably tomorrow. Galaxy and Mario 64 on the list. Yakuza Kiwami. Kiwami? Is that how you say it? I don't even know. And a couple other ones. Excuse me. Kiwami. 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 Bakamari. Right? Is it a trick that you use in construction? Yeah, dude, I'll take whatever tips you got. Oh no. No. Hang on. Make those not. And so what we can do is I actually want everything on the inside of this. Oh no, I can't select everything. Why can't I select this area? Wait, what happened to... Oh, it was built on that one. Oh. Go on, metal. We'll extrude this. Check this corridor out. Let me take a look. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying with that. I want to make... How can I explain this? Oh, I got it. It's gone, metal. So let's say my phone is the bottom of the case, I want to make almost like a phone case to go over it, to hold the two halves together. You know what I mean? So I don't think a dovetail joint will quite help me in this case, unfortunately. You know what I mean? Does that make sense? I wanna press fit one item inside of another and encapsulate an item inside of that. You slept for 4 hours and you can't sleep anymore? All right, well, feel free to chill. Let's see. Yeah, so I don't want this to be part of that. How do I make a new? All right, Helgren, have a good time, man. I'll catch you later. Do another 2mm there. That should allow me to turn that. Yeah, okay, cool. And what that will also allow me to do is to grab right here. Where was that? No. This is going to be a camera mount for a 3D printer to hang on the side of the camera and point in for some of our printers at work. I lost track of where that sketch was. That's not good. I mean, in the world, I can fix this. I still have no idea if this is going to turn out well or not. Tomorrow you don't sell enough ice cream that you want. Even trying to get this place's mooncake ice cream. What flavor is mooncake? I hope you manage to get as many mooncake ice creams as you want. Actually, that sounds really annoying that they keep selling out. That's not what I meant to do. Caramel ice cream with a salted duck egg yolk custard in the center. Huh. Sounds pretty good. Oh, please make that a construction line. Oh, no. Cancel. The old construction line trick, huh? Just using this to find the center again. Because I'm going to take the lazy-ish route. What is this? 10 millimeters? I know this is not going to end up perfect, but... Zero millimeters, yes. Okay, so what I can do now, make a little circle. Oh, that was the end of the playlist. Rip. Oh, God. Go away, YouTube. Stop playing music when I tell you not to. Oh, Jesus. Sorry. Holy shit. Good morning. Thanks, YouTube. I'm glad you remembered what audio level I told you to play at. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't mean to make that fuck your ears off. Yeah, sorry. YouTube just decides whatever volume it wants to play music at, it plays music at. YouTube has taken such a definite turn for the worse in the last year. So I'm actually going to cut a hole. Look at that. And you cut a hole the exact size you need. Look at that. Look at that. Hey, thank you, Luigi. Hopefully you're doing all right today. All right, if I can deselect everything now, I should be able to turn this back on. Like that, right? Not that one. Nothing much. Just working on some projects. Oh, you know what? I cut it clear through the case. I don't want to clear through the case, do I? Oh God, what am I doing? Those are the 4 poles. This is the back. Yeah, I totally just cut it right through the back. Shit. What am I doing? What am I doing wrong here? I don't know why I'm seeing, like, through the object either. That's never good. The rear. That's the actual camera. Alright, so that's the camera itself. We'll figure this out. That's the camera itself, right? Why am I in X-ray view? What did I do to turn on X-ray view? Oh, God. There's a wireframe. That's not what I want, though. I feel like I was stuck already in a wireframe. Visual style shaded. Oh, God. No, I don't think my visual style changed. We need to rewind the footage, yeah, right? Or just Control Z until it comes back. No, but I think this is all right. Oh, God. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. What am I deleting this off of? So I'm still editing this case front. Okay. God, one of these days, I'm gonna learn how to use this program for real. I swear. It won't be today though, so don't get your hopes up. Do that. Do this 7.5 millimeters. We'll do this 7.5 millimeters. We'll select this. We'll select this, 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 and this. No, that's not what I want to do. We can extrude. Let's do 5. What does that give us? Okay. So I don't want to do extrude up. I want to remove. So I'm going to reselect these. Normally to remove, I extrude the opposite direction, but I think that's removing stuff underneath. So what if I do, instead of I do cut? Oh, God. Yeah, that's what I want. Oh, that's exactly what I want. Nobody really knows how to use it, yeah. So if I select that, oh, now you can see that. So how do I deselect? Can I select both? No. You're joking about it being perfect. That's actually exactly what I want, though. That's 100% exactly what I want. And then we stick this fucking dude right in the middle. Ignore this. Like I said, I don't have that power adapter on mine. This is exactly what I want. I'm just doing it really terribly. Similar to 3D Max, maybe. I've never used 3D Max. No, I know Metal. Okay, where did the printer go, though? There it is. Now the printer's in fucking X-ray view. Oh my God. That's not gonna help me. There we go. So here's going to be the hard part. Now I have to position the camera where I want it in relation to the printer so I can model out how it interacts with the printer. This is going to be tough. I just got to kind of keep finagling it until it gets to where I want it to be. So that's actually not too bad. So on mine, this is on the bottom. So I know that I wanna keep it in this orientation. I'm gonna pull it up out of here. What I want to do actually is rotate it down. I gotta see the angle from the side. Hang on. I think I determined that a 45 both ways was not a bad angle to have. Oh shit! I wasn't done moving it. Oh no, let's keep it where it is. Move and then. .45 degrees like that, yeah? Except I wish this would... I wish that would update too. If I do that... That's really not what I want. Oh. Takes you back to AutoCAD. This is Fusion 360. I'm trying to build myself a little camera mount to mount a small camera to look into a 3D printer. Is currently what I'm trying to do. Whether or not I'm doing that is up for debate, but there we go. I think that's more what I want. Yeah. Yeah. Let's get it right up in here. Yeah. the quarantine beard is growing out for sure. Okay, that's looking a lot better. So now, ideally, you remember this assembly from before? Oop, this assembly right here. This actually... Can I move this? Hell yeah, I can. This actually will go into that corner. Right back into this corner. So ideally, I would want to put it in a position that avoids that altogether. Tab for exact input. Oh, I see what you... Yeah, so I can edit it. Yeah, I see what you're saying. I wish I could not see a... I think what I want to do is actually... This is where things get a little bit weird. Without having a real camera in front of me, it's a little hard to judge this angle. Yeah, that's true. I could have done that. Without having a real camera to judge this angle, it might be a little bit difficult. I think I want it to actually look down a bit more. All right, man, have a good one. Oh, what button was that? Split body. No, don't split it, please. I need it in one piece. Actually, don't need it in one piece. We know what I mean. So I'm actually going to give it a little bit of a sharper angle downward. Maybe 60 degrees downward. Because remember, oh god, if I could figure out how to use this. Remember, we're looking down at the print bed at the bottom of here. We're looking down at this area here. This area I just added back in. So if it's at 45 degrees, it might be looking a little bit too far this way. So I'm going to do that like that. We'll do 60 degrees centered right on that corner, hopefully. And so the next thing is to figure out how to mount it like that. My thought was to make a little thing that would sit flat on this surface and have a little channel cut out of it that this could slide into and this could slide into. I don't know if that's actually going to work, but you got your stickers. Nice. Oh, I did it again. What did I do? So the idea is that eventually it would be a fixed position, so that if it gets moved around, you know, the printer gets moved around or hit or anything, it wouldn't move. Instead of allowing it to move positions. I'm probably gonna have to print a couple of versions of this. But yeah, I want this, you know, our current idea is that we're gonna put a Raspberry Pi probably either here or, let me zoom out so you can reference, either here or over here. And it connects to the printer over here. There's not enough room on the back with the spool and all that. And so the USB cable would come right down here, and it would be fixed in place. You wouldn't want it to move. Is my thought. So that's kind of what I'm aiming for. Yeah, see, I could make hinges, and I know other people have made versions of this camera holder that have hinges in them, but hinges means either it's plastic on plastic, which means I have a tolerance. I gotta make it the correct tolerance to move when you want it to move, but not move when you don't. A, or B. Oh, I should have turned that light off behind me. I'm like bleached out, or the opposite of bleached out. Or B, it requires like a screw or something to keep it in there, and that requires picking up hardware or scrounging for hardware. So if I can make it somehow where it won't move on its own, it'll just mean I could just print a piece or two and be done, you know? Alright, I turned that light off behind me. Let me see if I am no longer... Ah, now I'm bleached out. Let's see, so if I do this, I do a new component. We name it mount. Oh no, what did I name it? Oh god, no. Okay, where is my... Oh yeah, well, Raspberry Pis are just little Linux boxes, so you can make them do whatever you want, to be honest. Okay, I don't know what that means. Oh, is it creating a sketch for this piece? Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Rip. Hang on. Yeah, basically the majority of what's done on it is Anything you can do with Linux. Wow, I really completely did the wrong thing. Undo? I made a technical drawing. How the fuck did I do that? I just wanted to make a sketch. That's what I wanted to do. I don't know how I didn't do that. Let me turn off this and this for now, and that. I don't know. What am I doing here? You could use it for simple server work. Yeah, Scump. Unfortunately, I really don't know when it'll be back to you. Oh god, oop, that was the Windows key, not the key I wanted. See, now I can tell you right now, I'm not really drawing on this plane. I'm drawing on a plane that's kind of connected to this. Or a floating plane, excuse me. This is not going to go great. I hope not. That's not. I don't want to have to send more. Oh god, I hate. Not even touching the line. I don't even know if that's square. Can I dictate that angle? I think I can. There's a way to do that. A coincident angle between these two. Let me select this. I want to select that line. Ah, fuck it. Fuck it. How do I cancel this sketch? This is not what I want to do. Oh, create drawing. Yeah, that's not what I want to do. That's what I want to do, an offset plane. There we go. That allows me to make a sketch on that same level. All right, but where's my origin? I want to make a new origin. Like right here. I mean, you can make cases and stuff for electronics, but you can't really create, like... There are 3D printers that can, like, print circuit boards, but really you more would want to use like etching to do circuit boards and stuff like that, you know? Now what I want to do, what is this? We do what? 35? Sure. Oops. No, that's not what I want to do. In fact, let's do... We'll do that. That way we can do 15. And we'll do this. Sorry, I'm just kind of doing this off of seeing my pants. I kind of don't 100% know exactly what I'm doing. I do want to move that, though. No, I guess I can't. Okay, there we go. Oh god, no. Then why does it let me pull it out and not put it in? She said. Oh god, I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I'll make that 10. There we go. What if I make this 10? Oh, wow, look at that. Now what if I do 2? Ah. Feeling. Oh, we'll do 3. We'll make it a little bit different. Like I said, I'm doing this completely off the seat of my pants, so I don't exactly know. Oh god, what I'm doing. If I did, I'd probably be getting paid a lot more than I am, which is not at all, because I'm dumb and I'm not doing this during work hours, but... Okay. What if we erase that? We erase that. And we take this. No, do not do that. Take this and make this not a construction line. We take this and make this not a construction line. The problem I have is I did not make it big enough. Yes, okay, cool. Don't take a shot every time I say seat of my pants, because I would like you to live. What? I don't know. How did I do this? Here, I'll show you exactly the problem. This dips down, and I intended to latch onto this edge. So I didn't make it long enough. All right, I'm just adding a little box on the end of this. It's not the right way to do it. I'm sorry. How far did I add that? About 3 more. That doesn't get anywhere near where I need to go. That's too much. That looks about right. We'll just do that. I'm about ready to be done. Now what I want to do. Cool. Okay. So that's the shape I want to hopefully latch onto these corners. So now let me extrude it. Oh no, my calipers ran out of... Oh, fuck. My calipers ran out of battery. Alright. Do -5. Let's see what that gets us. Not quite enough. I think we could probably do a little bit more than that. No, you know what? I like that. Now the important question is, can I take this whole thing and do I want to remove the other image. The other body from this. Can I do that? Can I select that as the body? No, I can't. Damn. I was hoping I wouldn't have to do this manually. No, I wanna take this solid shape. So if I look at this, the solid shape, And I want to remove anywhere that intersects with this solid shape. I just don't know how to do that. Let's see. Fusion 360. Remove from another body. Let's see if that. How to cut one body from another. Let's see.
Use the tire to cut out the groove from the wheel using one of the combine tools in Fusion 360. Okay, I went ahead and modeled two bodies here. You see I have my wheel in yellow and the tire in green. So to start, we'll go ahead and model the little bead around the tire, Y, jack. And you can see if I hover over the inside circle, you here, and I that inside. Select that bottom. To do that, I'm going to go to Modify and down to Combine. Now, it's a little confusing because combine sounds like you want to combine, but when we look at the
Oh. Modify combine. Target body is going to be that. Tool body is going to be all these 2 and 3. Oop. 3. And I want to do cut. Yeah, look at that. That's what I wanted to do, yeah. And now I just got to remove those pieces that I don't need. Oh, shit. Oh, nope. Interesting. Look, there's this little tiny piece connecting them. Oh, fuck. What did I do? Will it fit with the real thing, though? Yes. I just want to remove, like I said, I want to remove that bottom area. That should be a perfect negative of what's there already. Like I said, I just want to remove. I want to remove this underneath here. Yeah, you can see this stuff here, too. I do this. I have no idea this will work, by the way. I'm just pulling this out of the seat of my ass. Exactly what I'm trying to do. Problem is, I'm cutting that stuff in there. I don't want to do that. Let me do this in 2 passes then. Wow, please don't do that. Not what I wanted to do. Shit. Okay, that's a start. You know what? Hang on. before I do any of this. That, and then the bodies. Just manually click on them, I guess. Oh, I think I see. Am I selecting parts of this body? Oh God, I am. No, I'm not. Why is this? Oh, it totally is. Oh, it's because this model is a hollow piece. No, it's not the reverse order. Look, it's modeled hollow. How do I get that interior piece? YouTube, what are you doing? Why are you asking me if I want to pause? I can listen to music for hours without you asking. Now you ask? Oh my God, YouTube is just like the shit. It's the shit, dude. That's what I want. There we go. Now I've got basically everything cut out. That was the problem, is it's modeling each surface of that separately. And you know why? It's because when I look at the actual piece, I have one behind me. It's actually two pieces of veneer on top of something else. That's exactly why. Okay. That makes a lot more sense. And now what I can do is edit this. Because they were actually separate pieces. Now, this extrude. I can pull this down. Whoa, not that. Let me look at it. Yeah, I think we want that 8.5, negative 8.5. No, that is not what I wanted to do. I just delete face. That's it. That's what I want. That's the negative of that piece. Okay, that's what we wanted. Now, I just need to connect the two pieces together. All right, Metal, have a good night, dude. Da Vinci? I want to select. Why is it? I can't. There is no stopping. That's what I wanted to do. Shit. But it's funny. All right, Mara, have a good one. All right, now I just got to connect the two. This should not be hard at all. Watch me make it very difficult. It's not really what I want to make that plane. How do I change the angle of this? I don't want that plane there. I want a plane perpendicular to that. God, I wish I could grab one of these corners on here. That would make things a lot easier, wouldn't it? Not quite. Not quite the beautiful image I had hoped for. I'm sure there is a snap tool. I just don't know where any of the tools are because I never use this program. Why am I... Alright, finish the sketch. That's not what I want to do. I got an idea. That's so terribly dumb. No, I don't want to cut. I want to join. I want to add. What if I did that and I supported it underneath? Tell me this is a bad idea. No, it's not. It's a great idea. What are you talking about? Nah, that's not what I want to do. Make a hole in a body on the side and make a hand fit into it, yes. I could do that, but that would mean it would pull out. And again, we'd have that tolerance. If I could just make this all one piece, I think we'd be pretty good. I know what I want to do. I have to make sure I select the right body, I think is. Oh, not create draw. It's going cool, dude. Just do extrude from there, can't I? Not visible. What do you mean it's not visible? That's what it is. Okay. I'm gonna cut this anyway, so let's do that. Okay. Can I make Thomas the tank engine? I wish. I'm really very much an amateur at this. Let's do create sketch. No, I don't think I can really make anything that complicated, to be honest. That's 2 millimeters. Why is the music so quiet now? Make a 3D gear friend? Give me a minute and I actually can do that really easily. That I can do. I have no idea what a Monokuma is, actually. That I know how to do. Hey, thank you for following. Appreciate it. I have no idea why the music got so quiet. I'm sorry. What is that constrained to? Wait a second. Oh, it's weeb stuff? Yeah, this is definitely not like an art program, unfortunately. How do I make it parallel? Oh, it snaps though. Oh, that's why. Because this isn't perfectly centered. Oh, shit. Of course it wouldn't be perfectly centered. All right. I'm going to go for it as if I'm making it perfectly centered, and then I'll scoot it over. No, this is definitely not a program to be making art things, and this is more of a technical program. Yeah, but see, I took a piece out of this. I don't want to take a piece out of that. Okay, pop it. You're more interested in maybe somebody using Blender. There we go. That's what I want. Why do I make a gear and not a Monokuma? Because there's a... I can make a gear with like 4 buttons. That's not what I want. What is the tool that I want? B? No. Monochromatic, yeah. Alright. Can I get more music that's not ear-splittingly loud, though? Alright. I'm trying to find another music playlist. I'm gonna hope it doesn't play super loud. There we go. Some Zelda in here instead of Mario for a bit. I gotta move this whole thing over. What was I even doing? I don't even remember. No, yes, I want to translate it. I do. That point to this point, right there. I got to move it there. That's not what I want to do, though, is it? Sorry, man. I don't open things on stream. You know, I don't know what they are. I'll check it out after stream, though. Oh, God. Oh, no. That's not what I want to do. That's like almost centered. Oh, God. That's not what I wanted to do. Case front, case rear, and that body. Move. Z distance was -1. X distance of 1. No, let's do -1 for that as well. Not quite. Do 0. Where does that put us? I think maybe I need to do like 0.2? No. Negative 0.2. I think that might be as close as we get it to centered. Alright, let's do... Let's do this. Let's do... What if we just do this? That kind of invalidates what we just did. Oh god, I wish I knew how to control this camera better. No, not a rib. There's got to be a way to fill this. Yeah, that's got to be it. This profile. And this profile. Oh god, I don't want to do the whole thing. Haven't created, tried changing inputs or swapping profiles for rails or center line, adjusting continuity conditions. That sounds like that's what I want to do, but I don't think it's going to do what I want. No, that's not what I want to do. What am I doing up? I'm trying to make this work. It's gonna look dark. Anything good? Can I use that point as a... No. It's not really gonna do what I want to do, though, is it? God, I wish I could control this camera, like I said. Camera, what are you doing? Hot? Oh, shit. Nice. I mean, that's what I want to do. Can I select 2 axes? Whoa! Not what I want to do. Hang on a second. Excuse me. Huh. Oh, I got another idea. What if I did this? Again, this is not at all what I was about to do, but... If I do this and we extrude this face right into this one. Now I do not intersect. I want to cut into it. I want to extrude like up to it, you know what I mean? Yes, I'm building a sticker launcher to launch to all you ungrateful kids. 2 object under options. Let's see options. Underwear distances. Gotcha. Like that, I think? God, I don't even know. You know what? This is 100% not the way to do it, but I'm going to do it this way. Select surface. All right, let me try and do it that way then, if that's the correct way to do it. Extrude. 2 object. Ah. Gotcha. Perfect. That's exactly what I want. Oh. You know what you're doing. You know what you're doing. I don't know what I'm doing. You know what you're doing. Okay, I think I'm ready to print it if that's the case then. I think I want to combine these 2. Yeah, I want to print those as 1. I think this is all I want. Well, shit. Hang on. Hit save. Sure. Give me 1 second. I don't know if this is going to show my name if I try and send this to my 3D printer. It's not. Okay. Yeah. Let's see what happens. Because that would be... We could lay the camera in here, right? That would all be one piece. And then this should be just press fit in the back. And you'd have your camera. Oh, that got offset somewhere. Oops. Rip. You'd have your camera that just chills. Oh god, it's all on different planes. I'm not even gonna bother fucking with that. But your camera would stick inside, and then you would, yeah. I could print it now. I don't have... Unfortunately, the camera is at work. I don't have one with me, so it's not going to help me too much. I'm just waiting for Ultimaker Cure to start up. There it is. I'll give it an examine here. Yes, always choosing the best plane to try and print these on. Why would you not try and print it flat, Ultimaker? Can I even do... Is there a flatten? Arrange. is arranged, just move it horizontally. God, some of these have like where it'll try and place it as flat as it can on the ground for you. I don't know why Ultimaker's not. I might have disabled that actually. In fact, I think I actually did disable that. Hang on. Make it apart. Force layer compatibility mode. Where would it be? No, it's for that. Materials provided. No, it would be under general. I guess that's not an option. There's got to be a way to just flatten it. This is so dumb. And it's been 4 years just trying to flatten this thing. Ugh. What am I doing wrong? Lay flat. There's a button for it. God damn it. Oh, see, but it only exported one part. That's actually not right. I wanted both of these two parts here together. So how can I do that? I don't know if I want to do a joint. I want them to actually be part of the same. Combine, right? Target body, this one. Tool body, this one. Operation, join. New component, sure. Right? And so I can turn off these two, and all that's left is that. Oh, but we're missing something. Oh, shit. Oh, I see what I did wrong. Oh, shit. Okay. Modify. Combine these two. And that. I actually want to turn off that. Okay, now I have a new component. Now I can do file, 3D print. And it'll try and send it to the printer. Oh. I think that's what I want. How do I get it to send it to the printer? Oh, I gotta hit OK. Duh. Please don't tell me you're opening another instance of Gearo. Oh, of course you are. Should just sit as an STL. Yeah, I should build a candy launcher for that. My hope is that this is press fit enough that it'll just all go together. If not, I'll have to tweak it, but there we go. That's not going to be a pain in the ass to print, will it? Actually. Oh, that would make it overhang though. Yeah. That is going to be a complex part to print. Maybe I'll put this on the resin printer. I think as much as it's That'd be a pain in the ass to get all the, I was thinking maybe I'd put it like this. You know, on the build plate. It's going to be 2 pieces. Yeah, it'll be this one piece, and it'll be that piece that snaps in the top. This build plate actually isn't big enough, because I don't have a big printer here. There we go. I was going to print it like this, but if we look on the underside, this is hollow, this square, so that's going to be a bitch to get support out of. But if I print it 180 of this, come on. Come on, I know you can do it. Where are we going? Printed 180 of that, you know, we lie flat, blah, blah, blah. If I print it like that, there's going to be a ton of supports underneath here, too. So I think no matter what, I'm not going to have a good time, so. God, the rotation controls for this and Fusion 360 are not the same. Alright, I guess I'm going to print it like this, and I'll have to spend some time pulling out the supports, but all right, guys, I guess that's it, really. Like I said, you know, the camera will sit in here. I don't know. Should probably learn how to do this sooner or later. Move. Got it. The camera would be something like that. Actually, almost exactly like that. I don't know why it's doing this 3D bullshit again. See-through stuff. Alright, the camera will be in there. The back will sit over it. You can't see it because, of course, it's doing that weird stuff. And then it'll all sit on top of the printer. On top of the printer. Oh, did I delete those? I might have deleted those. I might have deleted those walls. Yeah, I guess I did. Shit. Oh, well, you know, you get what I mean. Yeah, I definitely deleted them when I did that negative piece. But you get what I mean. I'll sit in the corner over there like that. So, what I'm going to do is, let me see if I can remove the pieces I don't need from this. So this, I should be able to delete. I don't need the printer at all. The Z-Stage, assembly feeder, electronics, the tube. I can delete all those. Yeah, all right. Cool, so what I can do is take this, save as, no, I want to export. How do I export? With the export button. Not as a step file, but as a STL. Does that preserve? Does this STL preserve scale? No, I'm not going to print the camera itself. Ugh. I can save it as an OBJ, right? Let's see. Yeah, I guess I do as an STL. 0.1. I don't know what Danganronpa is, unfortunately. I have no idea if that song's appropriate or not, so unfortunately, no, I can't. We'll do that. And sure, I'll save it there for now. Requires cloud translation. Oh boy. And then we'll do the case rear as well. File, export, rear. What age is this rated for? I mean, I'm trying to keep it PG-13. Export. All right, it's gonna crank those two out. So, all right, that's kind of all I wanted to achieve today. I'm gonna put this on my printer. Like I said, I don't foresee it coming out super well just because of the void we have underneath. But we have a resin printer at work that actually might work really well with this. So, I'm gonna do a press fit. Maybe I'll take some pictures and put it up on Twitter. If it all goes well. But cool. Thank you guys for coming to watch. I'm gonna get out of here. It's nighttime. It's bedtime. So I will see you later. Oh boy, it's so late. Hopefully another stream tomorrow of actual games. So you guys have a good one, and I will see you later. Hey, thanks for making it all the way to the end of this video. I know that some of the VODs can get a little bit long, so I do appreciate you sticking around. I'd like to ask real quick, if you have a friend or someone close to you who you think would like a clip or a portion or even the whole stream, please feel free to reach out to them and share this with them. I'm always looking for more respectful people to come hang out and have some fun. If you've already done that or want to help me out some other way, feel free to check out the video description for some other ways you can help support me. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.